Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 update error code. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and run the Windows update. After completing that, click on close and close. If your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type of services, open a services. After that, find out a Windows update, go to your Windows update, open it and make sure that you selected the automatic. Click on apply and OK button and restart the services. Click close. If your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After that, first of all type a net space stop space wuauserv and press enter. After that, type a net space stop space script svc and press enter. After that, type a command is net space stop space bits and press enter. After that, type a command is run c column backslash windows backslash software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After that, type a command is run space c column backslash windows backslash system32 backslash catro2 space catro2.old and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space wuauserv and press enter. Sorry, I type wrong. So type a net space start space wuauserv and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start space script svc and press enter. After that, type a command is net start space bits and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that open any browser, go to your Google search engine and type a rest windows update components in Windows. Click the first link is how to rest Windows update component in Windows answer.microsoft.com. So go it. Scroll down, copy from this code, copy it, paste into the notepad, open notepad, paste it, click on save go to your any location, select all files, and set a name is with .bat and press save. After that, close it. Go to your desktop and save location. Right click, click on run as administrator privileges. Now working will be started. After completing that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 installation media. Click on download now. Save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. The process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete the process. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section. So open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer and after restart your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my cases, my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. And if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.